Hi friend, hope you all are doing well. Today in this video I will tell you about one of the most important process of medical billing cycle, but before going forward, please like, share and subscribe my channel to get updates regarding coming videos on medical billing. In this video I will provide you information regarding AR, account receivable, proceeds with examples. I will make you understand what is AR, how to effectively work on AR inventory, all insurance phone number, and the three main steps to be followed while working on AR inventory to be a perfect AR specialist. Let's start with what is AR or AR collections. First, A stands for account and R stands for receivable. Let's understand it step by step. Account means a unique number assigned to patient claim by medical billing software, which in long context used as a reference number, provider account number, for a claim from initial billing to get paid. Receivable stands for amount is still there to be received from insurance company for patient claim or account. So account receivable means a claim for which payment is still awaited or not received from insurance. There are n number of reasons for which an insurance company not pays a claim. Such kind of claims collectively creates an AR inventory on which AR collections team works to get them paid by rectifying the reason of non-payment. AR collections is a process of working on account receivable to get it paid from insurance. It is done through checking insurance website and calling insurance companies. Let's understand it step by step. How to work on AR and prepare call notes. Working on AR needs analysis and research before action. So one should always do analysis, research and then action, analysis. In this phase, AR analysts need to find out the current status of an account by following below steps. Step 1. If working on denials, then account will definitely have a denial posted. Check the EOB for more denial details. Step 2. If working on a no response claim and not able to find any EOB in the system, then need to check the clearinghouse. Sometimes claim got rejected through clearinghouse and sometimes EOB finds on clearinghouse which is not posted yet. Step 3. After doing above analysis on denied or no response claim, always check previous notes. It will help to identify that if an account is previously worked by anyone or not. If find any previous notes, then read it carefully to understand previous action. While doing analysis, an AR specialist must keep in mind that all the notes, EOBs, clearinghousing, in case of no results, and payer websites are checked, so that the next action can be taken correctly towards claim resolution. Incorrect or incomplete analysis creates trouble and move the accounts to incorrect processing, which in turn increase the claim payment cycle. After analysis it comes to research. In this phase, AR specialist utilizes website or make calls to insurance company to collect the required information. Sometimes, she can also complete an account without utilizing websites or making calls. For example, if she identified that claim denied for coding related issues, then she can directly task claim to coding team. After doing analysis and complete research, it comes to action. In this phase, based on the analysis and research, appropriate action on the system along with preparing pasting notes is done. Let's understand above points with an example. Example, claim not on file. As discussed, it will start from analysis, then research and then action. First step, analysis. There is no EOB in the system as well as on clearinghouse and claim is not rejected through clearinghouse. Also there is no previous notes. Second, research. As per analysis there is no EOB available, so you need to check the website to find the claim status. If website access is not available, then place a call to the insurance to get claim status. Let's understand the action phase for this scenario through both check on website and call to insurance. After doing analysis and research, now it's turn to take the action. Identified that claim is not received to insurance and DOS is within TFL and also verified mailing address and payer ID which is same. So, action would be resubmitting the claim. This example may be very simple to identify. Next action is resubmitting claim to insurance. But at the start, you might find it difficult to identify correct action. So in the coming videos, I will explain all AR scenarios to make it easy for you all to work and understand on all type of AR scenarios. Preparing notes. When preparing notes, always remember that it would include all three phases information. It would start with analysis, then research, and at the end action part. Call notes. Called insurance, spoke with John S. As per rep, claim is not on file. Patient policy effective from January 1, 2020 and still active. TFL is 365 days and claim mailing address and payer ID is same as in system. Fax number 12345678890. Call ref number 12345, website notes. As per website, claim is not on file. Checked eligibility, patient active on DOS, TFL is 365 days and claim mailing address and payer ID is same as in system. Final call notes. Checked in system, there is no EOB. Checked clearinghouse, unable to find EOB. Called insurance, spoke with John S. As per rep, claim is not on file. Patient policy effective from January 1, 2020 and still active. TFL is 365 days and claim mailing address and payer ID is same as in system. Fax number 12345678890. So, claim resubmitted. Call ref number 12345. Sometimes it is also very difficult to find out the correct phone number to connect with the insurance rep to get the claim status. So based on my experience, I prepared a list of all insurance's phone numbers. That's all from my end for this video. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Please share your comments on this video, like this video and share with your friends and subscribe my channel for more videos.